Hey, how's everybody doing today? Today is Thursday, April 23rd. And for today, you're going to read chapter 20, complete chapters 17 through 20 activities. It's one sheet. It's some vocab words from chapter 17 to 20. Review chapters 16 through 20 because you are having a quiz tomorrow. The quiz will be in Schoology. And of course, if you're up early enough to read this, you will meet us at 9 o'clock, hopefully, for a Google Meet. Okay, and the link is right here for you to click on and join us. If you go back out into the folder, PDF version of the story, you can find chapter 20 in there, and of course, all of 16 through 20. Here's the activities. So if you look at that, it is a vocabulary study of chapters 17 through 20. So kind of thinking about your context clues and what those words mean. Don't just look them up because these words have different meanings. Remember when these words are being used back in 1793, okay? So think about maybe how they were used in the story, and you're just going to match up the word with their meaning, and then you're going to make sentences, and then there's a little extra here. So write a little bit right there too. And that is it. Here is part 1 and part 2 with Miss Anderson, because again, like I said yesterday, the chapters are a little bit longer, so it's taken her more than the allotted time to record the videos. So make sure you listen to both parts. Both part 1 and 2 are all of chapter 20. And then look back over chapters 16 through 20 to review for your quiz for tomorrow. Okay? Hope to see you at 9 o'clock for the Google Meet. Otherwise, have a great day. Let us know if you need anything. You can reach us through email. Have a great day. Bye.